Hi guys, today I will explain about how to cut video in Microsoft Clipchamp. This process is really simple and easy. The first thing is open your application, and once it will be open, you will see two options. This one is create a new video, and this one is create a video with AI. So we want to cut out our video, so that's why click on this option, create a new video. Now, the timeline has been opened. The first thing is we will import our video by clicking on the option Import. And as you can see, I imported this video from my computer. Now, in order to add it in our timeline, we need to take our mouse cursor on the video and click on the option plus. Now, the video has been added to the timeline, so for cutting a specific part from your video is really simple. The only thing you have to do is select the start and end point from the video, and then take this timeline to the starting point. Then press S from your keyboard. And here you can see the video has been separated. The next thing is I will take the timeline to the end point. Now again, press S. Here you can see this part has been separated. Now you can delete it or do whatever you want to do. And it was the way by which you can cut videos in Clipchamp.